This bill will be tabled, and it has to be as much about strategy as it is about numbers. Heated discussions have been on the cards in the lower house of the parliament, but also remember negotiations that have been taking place. There's both a pro and against on this. The Waqf Amendment Bill is where the BJP and the allies have issued a 3-line whip to the members of parliament. All of them have been asked to be present in the house during the debate. All BJP's top allies have decided to back the bill. According to the information accessed by India Today, there have been recommendations, though, that have come in from alliance partners like the Telugu Desam Party, the Janata Dal United, Chirag Paswan's LJP as well, and it has been incorporated by the JPC. So for now, NDA leaders and alliance partners are extending support. Let's look at the numbers now, because eventually it's the numbers game in the parliament. This is the Lok Sabha. NDA has 293 members of parliament. India Bloc 238 MPs. So even if all the NDA leaders come together to vote in favor of the Waqf Amendment Bill that will be tabled, it's all clear. However, remember, they will want as many numbers as possible to appear that they have absolute majority. Now, the government needs a simple majority to pass the amendment of the lower house. They appear to have that with the mark. They have the halfway mark is 271. But can they possibly have, from the opposition, the numbers shift towards the NDA?
ये तो जैसे विपक्ष हो, कांग्रेस हो या डीएमके हो, तृणमूल कांग्रेस हो, ये लगातार उकसाने की कोशिश कर रही है। हमने तो इनके इशूज को भी एड्रेस किया है। हमने तो जेडीयू हो या हमारी चंद्रबाबू नायडू की पार्टी हो, एकनाथ शिंदे की हो, चिराग पासवान के, सबके मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट हमारे जेपीसी के मेंबर थे, और जो भी उनके इशूज हैं उसको उसी समय हमने अपने मीटिंग में सभी इशूज को, सभी कंसर्न को एड्रेस किया है।
तो मैं इस विधेयक का स्वागत करता हूं और हमारी पार्टी की ओर से, हमारे जनता दल यूनाइटेड की ओर से इस विधेयक का समर्थन में, और हमारे जितने सांसद हैं उन्हें व्हिप जारी करके निर्देश दिया गया है कि वे 2, 3 और 4 इस अप्रैल को सदन में उपस्थित रहेंगे और वो सरकार का समर्थन करेंगे। खास करके ये वक्फ संशोधन विधेयक का जो आपका समर्थन करके उसमें वोटिंग में भाग लेना है, सरकार का समर्थन करना है, ऐसा निर्देश दे दिया गया है।
So if the NDA is geared up, so is the India Bloc. The opposition parties also have a strategy ready, and they don't want this bill to go through. They're calling it a contentious bill, and that is breaking away from the constitution. Opposition leaders led by Rahul Gandhi in the Lok Sabha, Mallikarjun Kharge also in the Congress too. There's Aam Aadmi Party, Uddhav Sena, all have been logged in a huddle. They've been constantly strategizing. Remember, Rahul Gandhi is set to hold a meeting first of all the opposition MPs in the parliament ahead of the session. Now, what is the Congress claiming? They are saying this is anti-constitutional bill. Trinamool Congress is accusing the BJP of bulldozing the bill in the parliament. Then there is AIMIM chief Asaduddin Owaisi, who comes in strongly right now here because the bill also pertains largely to the Muslim community. Asaduddin Owaisi says the bill violates Muslims' freedom of religion. Meanwhile, the India Bloc has unanimously decided to vote against the bill in the parliament.
सरकार ये कह रही है कि विपक्ष जो है बरगला रहा है।
अब देखो, सभी चीजें हमारे ऑर्गेनाइजिंग सेक्रेटरी है, आपको ब्रीफ करेंगे।
पूरा इंडिया गठबंधन हम सब एक है। कल हम डिबेट चाहते हैं और पूरी ताकत से हम डिबेट करेंगे, और हम सब इंडिया अलायंस पूरी ताकत से कल पार्टिसिपेट करेंगे।